First impressions of this fantastic little plug that is smashed behind my couch. Unlike any other kind of plug, it doesn't take up both outlets. That's very rare. If you look at other smart plugs here on Amazon, it spills over into the other outlet. Now, what is very important that you realize is the setup process is very different from other smart plugs. So before you buy this thing, let me walk you through this to make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have had a smart plug, this is very much a different kind of smart plug compared to other ones on Amazon. So I'm going to show you actually from the iPhone app's perspective how you install this thing. And so we are going to go ahead and plug it in down below, and you will see that little flashing light. It is red, but what you're gonna look for is the blue one. Of course, it's red because I've already connected it to my Wi-Fi network, but that's gonna be pulsing blue. And once it's pulsing blue, you're gonna open up the Amazon Alexa app. And now we're gonna go down and select devices in the lower right, sort of at the very bottom. Oh, wait, unless it shows that right there. How easy is that? We're gonna click continue, click on next. All right, now we are going to unplug, and we're going to click on this, and we just scan the QR code on the back of our little plug. And now we are going to plug that exact plug back into the outlet. And if I'm looking at the plug, it is now pulsing the blue light once again. And now it is fast pulsing. And now it is connecting to my Wi-Fi. And now it has stopped pulsing, and it's just a solid blue light. And now that solid blue light has turned off, and we are connected. It's as easy as that.